how to buy coin on Trust Wallet with debit card. If you want to buy coin on your Trust Wallet app using a debit card, normally the problem here is very simple. If you go ahead and then maybe let's say you go ahead and then maybe log into your Trust Wallet account, and then even after you've done that, let's say you're trying to buy something, let's say a crypto, so you basically just tap the buy option, and if once you enter a certain amount, you can see by default the option that it gives you is credit card. So how do you actually use debit card for it? So you can try to tap on pay with credit card option, and here you can see the drop down menu. So even when you tap on the drop down menu, you can see that there is no direct option to add a debit card, but since your debit card actually comes from your bank, you can directly try to do a bank transfer if you want to, or if not, then you can add your debit card inside your Google Pay, because Google Pay supports debit card. Then you can use Google Pay to pay. So not directly, but indirectly there's definitely a way. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.